Zenda Wanji. Lufe!
Where is he going?
I don't know. Lufe!
Yes, welcome Detective Chisi and Detective Chipendo. I understand you have issues that you have brought. I feel welcome. I'd like to hear from you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Registrar. Yeah, zone amene timufuna. Tifuna timfuse mafusa awiri atatu. Nde timafuna tabwere mu office munomo.
Poti muimba kapena ndi muimbire mwina mukhoza kundigayira namba yake ngati muli naye pafupi?
Ndinayo. Chifukwa takatupimbira na nditu.
Yeah,
nditu.
That's just we do tango muimbira.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Why did you do it? Brenda, look at what you have caused to me. Brenda, now everybody will know that I have failed to go because I'm positive. What do you think will become of me? Brenda, how am I going to face the community? How? You have killed me. You have killed my family, Brenda.
Luffy. 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 I heard what happened. This doesn't mean that it's the end of life. Luffy, have a cigarette. Trust me, it works. Luffy. Luffy. I know you're going through a lot, right? And you just can't live yourself like this, okay? It'll eat you. Get a cigarette, man. This is what cigarettes are for. Luffy. One smoke. Luffy. H. The guys are calling again. Hello?
Spindle Alon. This is Detective Cheese again. We are in your registrar's office and we would like to talk to you now. Okay. Okay. Namimbira. Nditi bwana. Akwera amene achipese muno mukuti kambirane face to face papa phone akumathawa.
Yeah. Anyamatawa ndimena mazitira.
Yes.
Taizina zake kufika kumakumana na.
Zona.
Ndiana ndithu mafika kumalo. Taizina kukambirana nawo.
Yes.
Zona chenje chikuvuta
Ndijani.
Ku invest kuno timanena kuti they are adults kumabe chibwana chimachuluka. I think taizina kukumana nawo. Kumathandiza, zambiri zomwe timachitazi. I think kukumana nawo pamene mamvetsetsa kuti kodi vuto nene ndi chani, chuchitika ndi chani. So I think ndi bwinode abwere tikambirane naye ameneyo. I think tikupasani mpata mukambe naye bwinobwino poti tikuzoti inu ndi ntchito. Ikakhala mbali yathu muzatilongosolera kuti zayenda bwanji. Mukakambirana naye koma timbikire ameneyo atipeze tione kuti tipanga bwanji.
Sikongombe bwana. Yayi tikufotokozana zimene tikambirana naye kuti tione kuti inu ndife. Titandizane bwanji
imozi bwana.
Njito limozi nditu bwana.
No ife ndi amodzi.
Ndamodzi nditu. Zona amalawi wabwino tifuna malawi wabwino.
Yes, come in. Come in, please. Yes, Sparrow.
Yes.
Chinyamata tunanga maglasi so choncho mubwera ku office. So anthu akufuna kumanenana. But I think mene muli mu office muno malo atichepera. So gentlemen, I think tikupatse ne makabalo kena kabwino. Mukazokambirana mo masuka kuti neso mwina anthu ena akhoza kumabwera. Mukamuonera muno anthu amagogoda.
Zona bwana taonadi.
I think I should show you the boardroom where you can feel free and have your discussion.
All right. So
let me show you the boardroom.
So
yeah. Yes. Yes, gentlemen, I think the boardroom is the door that is open. mukakambirana mutipatsa report awaso mwina nthawi yake tizape mpatino of students kuti azatikusolere kuti kodi zinaenda bwanji alendo anabwera aja at some point. So that's the boardroom. Feel free. So yeah, that's a free room for you. Thank you. No, mukambirana ndi akuluakuluwa. Which level are you?
3.
Okay.
Yeah. So, what is this about?
Sit. Take a seat.
What is this about? What is this about?
We are sorry, Mr. Aaron, that we're bothering you with frequent calls. But understand also that we're doing our job.
I understand.
We have evidence that you were the last person to call late Zone Mandira. And that was the same Saturday that she was dropped at the hospital by some 2 unidentified young men. We've made this trace through this SIM card of hers, which we found in one of our pockets.
Oh, can I have a look at it? It's okay. Okay. I think I talked to you earlier on. You 2 people are here accusing me of having made a phone call to a SIM card. I mean, okay, I mean, no, sorry. I'm somebody who likes laughing. You are here, the 2 of you, asking me, accusing me of having made a phone call to a SIM card. Maybe technology, but how can I make a phone call? I mean, just listen to yourself. There is no way I can take my handset and then I make a phone call to a SIM card which is not in a phone. How can I make a phone call to a SIM card which is not in a phone?
We are investigators, Mr. Aaron. And we have found out that she had 2 SIM cards and 1 handset. Okay. So she could switch cards as she wished. Just answer the question.
If that is the case, maybe I called her. I don't take down short notes of each and every call that I make. Here at the university, we make several phone calls. We call a lot of people, all right? Friends, family, lecturers, professors. There are professors here. So we make several calls. I can't recall each and every phone call that I have made, okay? So maybe I called Zone on a Saturday, just that it crossed my mind that I did that. It's not a crime to forget. I hope it's not a crime to forget. Otherwise, don't mind my initial laughing, because I thought you'd come here to ask me that I made a phone call to a SIM card. Are you looking at this whole thing? 2 gentlemen coming here to ask me whether I made a phone call to a SIM card, that SIM card. It's laughable. You're laughable. And you're laughable.
It's laughable.
2 laughables. But anyway, forget that. That's just out of the story.
There is also evidence that her death was actually caused by drowning, besides her asthma condition.
This is news to me. Was her death caused by drowning? Was her death caused by drowning? Where? Yes. Where?
You can go. That's all we did for you.
Drowning?
For now.
Where? In a river?
We'll be sitting around, Mr. Aaron.
At a borehole? Drowning?
Chipongo yetu.
Sikulina ALUFEO na Sipalo, panga nazopita kunyanja, kukanyauda.
Esther. Ndimafuna kuti undidikire. Tidzawadilani Esther.
Izo sizochita kulira kufusa ALUFEO. Ine ndo wako mpaka muyaya.
Ngoma nduza icho nchestere basi Mtima mnungova ngati ine ndisapiteso ine university umenewo. Ndikakhala bwanji ndikuva ndiwe Esther.
Ine sori zikundivuta kuvomereza. Wabongo neka kupita kuri sinanga kapange tsogolola nato.
Zona. Kuona Esther. Usasiye uvempera. Mve? Moti chonchi kwaija ndesiya mmanja mwako. Uyendetse bwino. Koma sene uzindikumbukira mmandipempherera.
Koma Alufe.
Chani Esther?
Ngausowa.
Ndikudziwa. Naneso ndikusowa. Koma usadandule wambiri. Popeza ineyo nditenga zithunzi zako kuti ndizikakuona. Naneso ndikupasa zanga kuti uziziona.
Koma Alufe.
Tanene Esther.
Jatu tose tinakayezesa ndipo anatipeza kuti tili bwinobwino.
Ndikukumbukira.
Ndiye kusikumu kupitako musakabwereko ndikachilombo kaezi.
Esther. Kodi mandikayikira te?
Ayi sokoma nungo neneratu.
Ito ndimakonda wambiri udziwa. Moti sindingapange zimene undiganizirazo. Inde sindimafuna kuti nditakhala ndi mwana ndi mkazi wina kupatula iwe Esther. Komanso naneso ndikuuze sizoti basi ine basi nomene ndiuchokamu basi naweso basi undiyiwala.
Nempoka nkapi wale Lufe?
Kutheka.
Zosatheka.
Nguzotheka sinangakula muna mbirimbiri mwina ena solemeraso ndipo saineyo.
Aya. Ngakuyiwale wewe.
Tujaona tina mwana wathu yambiri adzinakeze kalenda.
Pajarina bangana kuti livinesi.
Basi so ababa ndizibira kwande basi ko ndithawa.
Ngawanya mukansanga.
Sinangona ngaine sindokudziwa.
Matu ndikakusowa Lufe.
Ndodziwa Esther naneso ndikusowa. Koma bemesa tizilembelana makalata. Ndikangofika ndoti basi ndipatsa address yathu.
Chabwino.
Elizabeth.
Mbale, ife tinabwera titamva mene zakhalira za scholarship. Ndiye tinatimonga mbale, tikhoza kukhala pamodzi ndikunikirana kuti awa simathera zonse. Komanso kukumbutsana kuti pamene zinthu zapendeka, Yesu tusapendeka nawo ayi. Iye amakhala balo okonzeka kutilandiranso.
Monga timvera fanizo mwana lowerera.
Komanso ijayi wejeni. Khosa sabiya.
Iyayi. Musapereke kaye zitsanzo ngati zimenezo iyayi.
That's no way out. Whoa.
Zomwezi.
Whoa. Now!
You two leave. I will join you.
Naziwa tu hivi bizika kufuka pamene.
Ndakade kuva.
Ambuye saga ikakulandira. Sizero mandero.
Zikachitika.
Brother Lufe, I am going out. But I want you to know one thing. You are not the only one on earth in this situation. I will give you a practical example. I am HIV positive. And I am taking ARVs. Both me and my girlfriend, the late Zwane, were found positive. But we didn't see it as the end of things. We still stayed in the relationship and decided to live positively. Today, I'm not shy to tell people that I am HIV positive. You can do the same. Brother Luffy.
Did you lose the chance of going to the USA when we were found positive? Did you lose the chance for a free master's and a PhD in the USA?
I know. Pamene Popo, it's where your case is a bit different.
No! No! No mind. Go. No mind. Okay.
Inuso nthawi yanu ya mafanizano aja sina libwino ya.
Kumaliza nani azochitika hivi?
Ukufika basi fanizano mwana lowere.
Nalingata una alufeyo matsatila tsatila atayezetsa na wabesa nkachilombo mutu unaima buso jina
Ase. Why? Apo saja namwera asoto. Kumani fuso di ndozo yanzo zona na mira. Ah, chicks ani muziki. Ase. And abangaso discovered I was the last person kumuimbira zona uchi. Ada nabeza sim card ntumbara yazo vala. Bamwe ndesi na iwerenge. Ase, ukumva? Now I'm telling you, just in case they call you, just say you don't know anything. Hello?
Dad, sorry for all I did. I realize now that university is not just about school. It is a process during which, if not careful, you may end up messing things up, including your life. Dad, I'm one of them who, though intelligent in class, have messed up in other aspects. You may think I'm stupid, but trust me, at the moment of writing this note, I do not see any way out. Mesho, you are the worst friend I have ever met. You introduced me to Brenda. Brenda gave me HIV. You made me believe that you always know how to play cards right. But now, it seems you are just being cosmetic. Now you have played a crucial role in messing my life to the point that I have ended this way. Please, Mesho, change your ways. And B, no man has told me that both him and Zone were found HIV positive and that he's currently taking drugs. You may wish to also go for a test in view of what you told me earlier about your sleeping with Zone without protection. By Spidol Alon, Akasparo.
kumudzi anthu onse kudandaula chungopita nzuyunivesite wasintha khalidwe anasiya kuyendela chinansi kumanamiza nzake kwawo ndi mtauni anapeza chipesi blenda kuyiwala esitele bwenzi la mtima lake la kumudzi zodi